'di ba?
And I think it's really about time for her to speak her mind about something like this, tama?
Mm. Parang 'di ba for the longest time 'di ba, parang hindi naman siya political area 'di ba? For the
Yes, yes.
longest time she was quiet, she was
Mm.
living her life as a wife to ano.
And we are welcoming you to our medium round. And this incident really reaped praises for the one and only Sarah Geronimo. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex
And
Brosas.
you are watching the Saturday edition of the TT Show, ang Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Mare, dun muna tayo sa pitak mo kung saan naisulat tong pangyayari ito. Saan ba ito naganap bago natin basahin ang statement ni Sarah dahil sa pangyayaring ito?
Sa ano nag-perform kasi siya sa UAAP.
Yes,
Parang
okay.
ano, parang it's a sports convention yata,
Oo, yung
'di
mga
ba?
college, yung mga
Oo, mga
college,
athletic, oh, 'di ba?
UAAP, college basketball,
Mm.
oo.
So, ang hindi ko kasi napanood yung performance pero parang paikot-ikot yata yung ano, parang dun pu-make up yung kanyang ano,
Speech.
politically ano, laced speech na
Mhm,
ikinagulat ng marami.
mhm,
Pero umulan ng papuri
mhm,
kay Sarah because of what she did,
mhm.
'di ba?
And I think it's really about time for her to speak her mind about something like this, tama?
Mm. Parang 'di ba for the longest time 'di ba, parang hindi naman siya political area 'di ba? For the
Yes, yes.
longest time she was quiet, she was
Mm,
living her life as a wife to ano, Mateo Guidicelli 'di ba?
mm,
Parang gano'n tapos performing 'di ba, gano'n lang naman ang buhay niya, eh. That simple 'di ba?
mm,
But now, parang it was ano, a breath of fresh air to
mhm,
listen to her talk about politics and talk
mm,
about, corruption 'di ba,
mm.
parang gano'n.
And ang nakakawin po dito sa pangyayari, meron siyang sinulat na parang post
Mm,
kung saan nanggagaling, kung saan nanggaling yung kanyang umiikot-ikot na
mm.
spiel. Maaari pakibasa mo naman 'to?
Hindi naman po lingid sa akalaman natin na napakaraming nangyayaring kaguluhan, kasinungalingan, panloloko ang ginagawa sa ating bansa. Let us all be reminded na kayo, ang ating mga kabataan, kayo ang pag-asa ng ating bansa.
Bay bansa. One day, kayo ang magbabago ng bulok na sistema ng bansang ito. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, kumapit tayo sa hope at
Patuloy na
patuloy na
magtiwala.
magtiwala na balang araw mababago rin ang bulok na sistema na yan. At uunlad din ang ating mahal na bansang Pilipinas. O, di ba?
Mm.
Palakpakan naman po tayo para kay Sarah Geronimo Dicichelli. Ako, when I read about it and I saw the video, I was really surprised. Because
Mm.
sabi mo nga kanina, she was never known to stand politically. At parang di ba lagi parang naka-question ang kanyang loyalty, lalo na ang kanyang husband, kung sino ba talaga ang sinusuportahan nila.
Mm.
Diba? But now, pinapakita talaga na si Sarah ay walang politikang sinusuportahan. Ang sinusuportahan niya at minamahal ay ang bansang Pilipinas. Which I think dapat talagang gawin ng lahat. Let's not be blinded by the promises of this and that politician.
Mm.
Ang ipaglaban natin, ang karapatan natin bilang mga taxpayer at ang pagmamahal natin sa Pilipinas na kung saan tayo lahat pinanganak.
And what Sarah did was to use her platform
Mm.
intelligently
Mhm.
and wisely. At saka ano eh, she opened the eyes of many who like her wanted change.
Yes.
'Di ba?
At tandaan niyo talagang si Sarah isang rekwa ang popstar followers,
Millions,
'di
'di
ba?
ba?
Yung isang rekwa talaga.
Mm. What she has opened herself into is that kaisa niya ang sambayan ng Pilipino,
Yes.
'di ba?
Mm.
Ah, she has not said any piece in the past about her political stance, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pero now, it's very clear that she wanted change.
Mhm.
And she is looking forward to the youth
Mhm.
to effectively uh show change.
Oo. Just encouraging the youth because the
Mm.
UAAP crowd are predominantly millennials and Gen
Oo,
Zs.
students yun eh.
Students yon.
Mm.
So talagang for Sarah, nasa kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan.
Mm.
And I hope they heed to what Sarah expressed because basically talagang mas marami na pong youth voters.
Yeah.
Especially the 2028 election.
Mm.
Mas marami na.
Parang youth vote ang nagpanalo sa mga kung
Oo.
sino-sino, di
Oo,
ba?
di ba? And I hope that youth vote will be stronger when the time comes.
Mm. And interestingly, maraming celebrities na rin yung
Mm.
yung nag-voice out ng kung
Yes.
ano-ano,
We
di
will talk
ba?
about that in our difficult topic.
Mm.
But right now, we concentrate on Sarah. Ako, nakakatuwa lang na finally, di ba, there is this young girl na nakita natin lumaki as a young girl.
Mm.
Nagkaroon ng mga pagsikat, mga problema sa pamilya, sa pag-ibig, at kung ano-ano pa. Talagang totoo na there is always the right time for everything. Everything happens at the right time, at the right season, for the right reasons.
For the longest time, Sarah had an image of a naive woman. Di ba? Timid.
Innocent
Di
to
ba?
a fault.
Oo, di ba? Parang hindi makabasag pinggan,
Oo.
di ba?
At
There
parang,
was never an instance where she articulated her thoughts,
saka
di
parang
ba?
lagi lang siya nung araw, yes, Mommy Divine,
Oo,
yes, Mommy Divine,
yung parang,
oo, Mommy
di ba?
Divine.
Parang yes,
Mm.
ma'am lang siya, di ba? But now, a different Sarah emerged na people didn't see before.
Didn't see it coming.
Oo, di
At
ba?
isa lang ibig sabihin niyan, that Matteo Guidicelli is a wonderful influence
Mm.
to Sarah.
Mm.
Na napakaganda na maraming natututuhan si Sarah kay Matteo and vice versa. At tiyak na mas napapalawak ni Matteo ang mundo ni Sarah.
At saka pinakita ni Sarah that she has matured
Mm.
as a person.
Yes.
She's no longer the popstar that she is and that she was
Oo.
before.
Hindi na siya nene.
Oo.
May asawa na
Diba?
siya. At sooner or later nga magiging nanay pa eh.
So iba na yung ang dami niyang natutunang wisdom sa buhay which she is sharing.
Mm.
At saka this is a once in a lifetime
Oo.
Arya.
Oo.
Hindi to nangyayari every concert.
Oo.
Di
And
ba?
in a beautiful event like the UAAP.
Oo, where
Na-
the youth is
all
di ba?
present.
Mm.
Di ba?
Talagang walang Tsaka hindi, talagang nakita ng mga yung UAAP yung mga attendees na
Mm.
she's grown.
Oo. Sa akin nakita
Diba?
talaga na she was in full conviction.
Mm.
Buong buo sa kanyang puso at kaibuturan yung pagsasabi ng gano'n. Parang kahit siya, hindi na matake ang nangyayari.
Mm-mm.
Di ba?
Tsaka hindi kasi si Sarah has a very saccharine image.
Mm.
Parang hindi marunong magalit.
Yes.
Diba? She was never mad in her entire life.
Oo.
That is her image.
Oo.
Pero now, she's voicing out her sentiments,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? She's voicing out her her outrage over
Mm-mm.
over political things,
Oo.
political scenarios that has
Mm-mm.
been happening in the country, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang it's a welcome change. It's a welcome it's a welcome development para dun sa mga humahanga sa kanya.
Mm-mm. At kayo po naman ay ginagabayan ni Sarah Geronimo ng tama.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Hindi po mali ang kanyang pag-express ng kanyang damdamin sa mga nangyayari sa bansa natin ngayon.
And she uses the right words.
Mm-mm.
Kasi may iba, 'di ba? Parang although 'di ba? Although they are outraged by the pero ang matitindi mga salita.
Mm.
Eto hindi. Talagang carefully crafted yung sentences,
Mm-mm.
yung mga words.
Pero alam mo, I would really love it to hear her curse.
That would be the day. Charot!
Diba? Yung biglang magpi-PI din siya. Sobrang nigat galit.
Hindi na siguro mangyayari. Di ba?
Baka mahilan sa ni Mateo.
Oo, di ba? Parang, kasi she's di ba? She's so prim and proper. Di ba? Despite her image, talagang prim and proper siya.
Hmm,
Kasi ngayon medyo palaban na yung image niya sa pagsasayaw, yung mga kanta, 'di ba,
oo.
mga palaban na oo,
Umaaligid-aligid ng
pero
SB19.
still the prim and proper image is
Hindi, what's wonderful is nakikita mo talaga na nag-e-expand ang kaniyang utak,
mm,
bumubukas ang kaniyang puso,
yeah,
'di ba? At talagang nakikita 'to sa artistry niya. And
mm.
she's really using her art to wake up,
On her platform,
and her platform to wake
mm.
up all the people who believes in her.
Eh, ang tawag dito, it has to come kasi how many years na siya sa showbiz, 20 years na ba? Oh,
Hmm,
'di ba parang 'di ba pagka hindi ka pa nag-grow, stagnant ka, hindi naman siya gano'n, 'di
yes, 'di
ba?
ba? So Sarah Geronimo Giticelli, congratulations for being brave, courageous, and putting the words na dapat marinig ng lahat. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, the Divo That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kaibigang Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Pinapanood niyo po ang The KT Show, ang taray na talakayan showbiz edition.